Ever wondered what secrets the wealthy use to grow their fortunes? It's not always about luck or inheritance. Instead, many rich individuals strategically invest in specific assets that consistently generate high returns. Imagine having the knowledge to invest in the right places and watch your wealth grow exponentially. In this video, we're diving into the 10 assets that are making people rich. By the end, you'll have a roadmap to potentially boost your financial future. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. Whether it's rental properties, commercial real estate, or house flipping, each strategy can generate steady cash flow and benefit from property value appreciation. The key is to choose properties in desirable locations and perform thorough market research. For instance, from 2020 to 2024, real estate investments saw significant returns due to market dynamics. By leveraging real estate wisely, anyone can build substantial wealth, starting with something as simple as buying their own home. Number 2. Farmland and Timberland. Investing in farmland and timberland offers a unique opportunity to profit from nature. These tangible assets generate income through crop production and timber harvesting, while appreciating over time as land becomes scarcer. Farmland and timberland also help diversify an investment portfolio, providing a hedge against market volatility and economic uncertainties. High-profile investors like Bill Gates have recognized the value of these assets, with Gates owning around 20,000 acres of farmland across Nebraska. The consistent demand for agricultural products and timber ensures a steady income stream, while the long-term appreciation of land values contributes to wealth accumulation. By investing in farmland and timberland, you can benefit from nature's abundance and create a stable, long-term investment that supports financial growth. Number 3. Stocks. The stock market has long been a proven source of wealth creation. By investing in well-established companies known as blue-chip stocks or high-growth potential companies, investors can enjoy capital appreciation and regular dividends. Strategies such as dollar-cost averaging and reinvesting dividends help compound returns over time, leading to significant wealth accumulation. The stock market offers opportunities for growth investing, value investing, and trend following, each with its own set of advantages. Many millionaires and billionaires have built their fortunes through savvy stock market investments, highlighting its potential for long-term financial growth. With careful research and strategic investments, the stock market can be a powerful tool for building and maintaining wealth. Number 4. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the investment world by storm, offering the potential for high returns. Early adopters who invested in these digital currencies have seen their investments grow significantly. However, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and requires a deep understanding of the technology and market dynamics. It's crucial to research and stay informed about trends and developments. Despite the risks, cryptocurrencies continue to attract investors looking for the next big opportunity. The key to success is timing, buying the right cryptocurrency at the right time and holding it wisely. While the market can be unpredictable, the potential rewards are immense, making cryptocurrencies a compelling option for those willing to navigate its uncertainties. Number 5. Traditional businesses. Investing in or owning a traditional business remains a reliable way to build wealth. Brick-and-mortar businesses provide steady income streams and have the potential for long-term growth. To succeed, it's essential to choose businesses with strong fundamentals, competitive advantages, and a proven track record. Many wealthy individuals are business owners rather than employees, demonstrating the significant income potential of traditional businesses. Whether it's a local store, a franchise, or a larger enterprise, the consistent revenue and growth opportunities can lead to substantial wealth accumulation. Traditional businesses require hard work and dedication, but the rewards can be substantial for those who invest wisely and manage effectively. Number 6. Online businesses. The rise of the digital economy has opened new avenues for wealth creation through online businesses. E-commerce, digital products, and internet-based services offer entrepreneurs and investors significant returns. The key to success in online business lies in identifying unmet market needs and delivering innovative solutions. The internet has lowered entry barriers, allowing anyone with a good idea and determination to create and run an online business. From dropshipping and affiliate marketing to selling digital courses and services, the opportunities are vast. Online businesses can scale quickly and reach a global audience, making them a powerful tool for generating wealth in today's connected world. Number 7. Index funds and ETFs. Index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are excellent tools for achieving diversification and steady returns. These investment vehicles allow you to spread your money across a wide range of assets, reducing the risk of losing everything if one investment fails. Index funds typically follow a specific index, like the S&P 500, giving you exposure to numerous companies in one go. ETFs work similarly but can be traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. By investing in index funds and ETFs, you benefit from the overall growth of the market without the need to pick individual stocks. Consider factors such as fund fees, historical performance, and the fund's asset composition when choosing the right index fund or ETF. Even legendary investor Warren Buffett advocates for the S&P 500 index as a reliable long-term investment strategy, making these funds a smart choice for building wealth steadily over time. Number 8. Intellectual property. Intellectual property, IP, can be a powerful asset for generating passive income. IP includes creations like books, music, patents, and trademarks that can earn royalties over time. By developing valuable intellectual property and protecting it legally, you can turn creative ideas into reliable income streams. For instance, best-selling books and popular songs generate continuous royalties for their creators. Innovative patents can lead to licensing deals or even transform entire industries. The key is to create high-quality IP and market it effectively. Successful examples include authors who write bestsellers, musicians whose songs become hits, and inventors whose patents revolutionize fields. Investing time and effort into developing and managing intellectual property can lead to substantial and ongoing wealth, making it a compelling asset for those with creative talents and innovative ideas. Number 9. Venture capital and angel investing. Venture capital and angel investing involve funding early-stage companies with high growth potential. While this type of investing carries significant risks, many startups fail, the rewards can be extraordinary if a company succeeds. Investors who back successful startups can see returns many times their initial investment. The key is conducting thorough due diligence and diversifying investments across multiple startups to spread risk. By supporting innovative companies, venture capitalists and angel investors not only have the chance to achieve substantial financial returns, but also contribute to technological advancements and economic growth. This high-risk, high-reward investment strategy attracts those looking to make a significant impact and substantial profit. Number 10. Investing in yourself. Investing in yourself is arguably the most critical investment you can make. Continuously enhancing your education and skills can significantly increase your earning potential and open up new career opportunities. In today's fast-paced economy, staying relevant with valuable skills and certifications is essential. By investing in courses, training, and personal development, you can stay competitive and excel in your field. This self-investment not only boosts your career prospects, but also builds confidence and resilience. You are your most valuable asset, and by prioritizing personal growth, you position yourself for long-term success and financial stability. This investment pays dividends throughout your life, making it an essential part of any wealth-building strategy. Now that we've explored the 10 assets making people rich, It's clear that building wealth involves strategic investments and informed decisions. Whether it's real estate, stocks, or investing in yourself, each asset offers unique opportunities for financial growth. By diversifying your investments and continuously educating yourself, you can create a robust portfolio that withstands economic fluctuations and positions you for a prosperous future. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.